crucial Scrum techniques for every CSM to master. One of the key foundations of Scrum is the set of Agile principles that guide the framework. As a CSM, it is essential to fully understand and embrace these principles, such as customer collaboration, responding to change, and delivering working software. Scrum ceremonies. Scrum ceremonies are recurring events that provide structure to the Agile framework. These include the daily stand-up, sprint planning, sprint review, and sprint retrospective. Product backlog refinement. Product backlog refinement is an ongoing process where the product owner and development team collaborate to prioritize and refine user stories. Agile mindset. Having an agile mindset is essential for every CSM. This means embracing the core values of Agile Manifesto, such as individuals and interactions over processes and tools, responding to change over following a plan, and delivering working software over comprehensive documentation. Scrum tools. There are various tools available to support Scrum teams in their day-to-day activities. As a CSM, you should be familiar with popular tools such as Jira, Trello, and Version 1, and understand how to leverage them to enhance collaboration, communication, and productivity within your team. Self-organization. Encouraging self-organization within your development team is another crucial technique that every CSM should master. By empowering team members to take ownership of their work and make decisions collectively, you can foster a culture of trust, accountability, and high performance. Conclusion. In conclusion, mastering these crucial Scrum techniques is essential for every CSM who wants to excel in their role and make a significant impact on their development team,